There is an urgent need to get our younger kids immunized and protected against COVID, but we can't let that happen until we are sure that the science suggests that our kids should be getting these vaccines, whether it's 2-dose or down the road 3 doses.
This process now moves to an FDA advisory panel meeting in a couple of weeks. If the Pfizer vaccine is authorized for kids under 5, the CDC would then give the final green light, and we could see those first shots by the end of the month.
A major step towards vaccinating America's youngest children against COVID. Pfizer requesting emergency use authorization for kids 6 months to 5 years old.
I think parents should feel good that as we so slowly work our way down in ages and continue to see what is a safe and effective vaccine, that would also be true here.
Pfizer expects the vaccine series will eventually require 3 doses, but is now submitting the trial data for just 2 doses, citing an urgent public health need. Federal regulators reportedly asking Pfizer to move forward despite a lower immune response in 2 to 4-year-olds. The shots are 1/10 the strength of adult doses.
She's getting her shot.
She's getting her shot.
The Bowie family says they're confident in the vaccine's safety. Over the summer, their kids, including then 3-year-old Christian and 14-month-old Sloan, got 2 doses as part of the Pfizer trial.
We truly feel that the protection that the vaccine has afforded the kids has been able to get us back into somewhat of a normal life.
There it is, baby. We got snow.
A major winter storm slamming a huge portion of the country is expanding, stretching from New Mexico, eventually to New England. More than 90 million people under weather advisories.
I have 3 bags.
In Illinois, the Department of Transportation is warning of life-threatening travel conditions.
I want to encourage everyone to do what you can to keep yourselves and your loved ones safe. Listen to local authorities to stay up to date with the latest conditions in your community. At home, make sure that your household has the essentials.
Parts of the Midwest could see up to a foot of snow, threatening records in cities like Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Detroit. Missouri's governor already declaring an emergency. Airlines already canceling more than 1,200 flights nationwide. Crews now racing to treat roads across the South where ice accumulation poses the biggest risk. Freezing rain is in the forecast for Texas nearly 1 year after that historic storm devastated the power grid, causing hundreds of deaths. The governor says the power grid is ready this time, but he can't guarantee there won't be power outages.
No one can guarantee that there won't be a, quote, load shed event. What we're prepared to achieve is that the power is going to stay on across the entire state.
The Dallas area could see up to 1/4 of an inch of ice.